Yeah, we are ready. The small bubbles. So welcome back to the second day, guys. Yeah, this is the second day. So for those people who are watching this video for the first time, make sure to check my last video, which I explained everything about the Lexus and how I bring here and how we're gonna do a proper restoring this car. First thing we're gonna do, repaint it, because this car from this angle doesn't look like bad, but paint job is absolutely disaster, guys. This car maybe has painted more than 4 times because all the sides is different, the doors, the bonnet, every angle of this car is different paint. So the first thing we decide to do, repaint this car. The people is working as well, there's sound coming, so we don't want to talk more. Let's go jump to the car. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove all those handles and of course remove the side mirror as well. And as you can see, I make a little bit more clear, but all those marks I want to make it more clear. Those marks we have to do the sandpaper. After that we have to 1 layer of putty. Then I'm gonna explain you more. So all those markers we have to do the sandpaper. Yeah, so I'm gonna tell you which sandpaper we're gonna start and everything. So this will be the marks, not clear as well. Yeah, and this side as well. So all those are have the small dent on it. So even as you can see, there's a lot of scratches here. Most of those dents, the reason is because of the bad paint job. As you can see, the paint job just came out with the small bubbles. And let's go to work on this car, guys. Yeah. Do all the car the same process. We're gonna do that 180. After that, we're gonna do the 320. So cameraman, come show this. So we're gonna do all of those. So it's gonna take time. So we're gonna put on the fast mode and we're gonna do all of them the sandpaper. So right now we finished all sandpaper as well. Now it's time to do a primer. After that we do a primer, we have to do a proper complete sandpaper this car from head to toe. That'll be so much hard, guys. Now we are going to make this car ready to do the primer. we continue, guys, as I told you, we should open everything. This car have really extra items you need to open before to paint, because the paint job will be really clean. As you can see, the previous owner was painting, they didn't remove those liners. So as you can see, we have the silver mixed with the black, so we don't want to happening like that. So we are opening those things. There are a total of 4 those small liners on the 4 tires. We're gonna open that. We're gonna open the side mirror, but side mirror is not easy to open. We have to open the complete cover door to open the side mirror. We're gonna open those parts. So right now everything is set up to do the paint job, guys. We spent lots of time to finish this car, guys, to do all the paperwork, the places that we don't want to get paint, and it was actually many places. So this is the front of it. So now what's the plan, guys? We have to wait till tomorrow, because tomorrow we are going to paint it, because it's too late. Reason we're gonna paint it tomorrow, guys. So stay tuned, and after that we're gonna come to start the painting tomorrow. Woo!